What's going on, guys? We are over at Stratotech Park today, and today we're going to be tracking this course today. I haven't been here in a hot minute, but it should be fun. It's a very technical course. I'll get up on the stands and kind of give an overview of the course. But we're going to go through the paddock right now while I wait for my next session and see what's all here. I saw this blue GCA while I was coming in. It is clean. I like the big meaty tires. Having Brady Derp stickers, but having no Brady Derp seats is kind of weird. But and this one too, clean. It looks like it has like glow in the dark green calipers. Massive front intercooler. The bug eyes are one of the coolest ones. Old C4 Corvette. Super clean. Grippy ass tires. ER34 sedan on XXRs. Some sort of weird broken up eyelash, Brahms seats. This thing's cool. GR Corolla with a Marlboro livery on, which is sick as hell. From BC, I guess. These things are cool. I wouldn't mind taking one of these for a little run. Second gen BRZ with a bunch of HKS stuff on it. Gutted. Looks like an Amuse exhaust. Yeah, these are clean. You see a lot more of the course from this area too, which is nice. All right, first session at Stratotech. Let's go, baby. All right. Okay, we're going to try a little commentary here on these now. First, we start with the long sweeping left. I definitely do take this a little tight. Definitely could be wider and carry a little bit more speed. Then the first actual straight, I do stop kind of early here, but this was like my first little bit of the first few sessions here. So, and then the left turn again, a short little straight coming up, and again I have a tendency of taking turns kind of tight right out the gate. I gotta learn how to go a little wider. A little bit of a blind spot here coming to the right that I definitely was getting a lot more confidence as I was getting more sessions in throughout the day. Hairpin turn, got again kind of take a little tight. Then I keep going through here, and then right around this next left turn, there's a bump that happens in like 3, 2, 1 right there. And if you're setting it too hard, you could lose the control of it. And on this last right, the thing that's kind of sketchy is right. You see the very beginning of those curves there. If you take it a little bit too wide, you can smoke a wheel easily. All right, just completed my first session here at Strato. It went really well. Obviously, I'm still getting used to the course and
This course is a brake and tire killer. It's pretty tight. It's actually built to be like a go-kart track that was also a motorcycle course that turned into a drift track and racetrack all within the same amount of time, basically. So yeah, I was getting a little squirrely near the end there, which we'll probably see in the clip once I edit this. But felt good. Unfortunately, my Track Addict app, I picked a map that didn't have like a start-finish line, so I don't have any actual lap times. I do have data, but that's about it. That's all I got right now. So yeah, we're gonna go take another look at what else is over here racing today, and yeah, then we'll jump into the second session here. Now this thing's cool. Old Toyota with a flat box in the back of it. This thing's sick. All right, second session. Let's fucking go.
You might be there for a little bit.
What's a little bit?
I don't know. They have to pull him out of the gravel.
Oh, he's still in there. Oh,
yeah,
okay.
Slide back up. We'll let you guys know.
My bad, okay.
I'm not going to do a whole lot of commentary on this clip, just simply because me and this FRS guy, we were going at it for a good couple laps here, and then you're going to see how badly it could have ended near the end of the session. But it was fun. I find I do a lot better, actually, like if I'm kind of chasing someone like this. Maybe I just drive a little bit more aggressive or something like that. I'm not sure. But I definitely was losing time at that stop back there because he was stopping way earlier than I usually do. So I definitely could have shaved a second or two at that section there. But yeah, I'll just let you guys enjoy this clip now. Notice in this section here, I don't really know what I should be shifting or leaving it second. But I seem to downshift here a bunch. Then I'm not sure if I'm losing speed here. It's just a weird, I feel like I have to shift there all the time. So that's why I kind of, it's almost like a reflex to shift there. After that, I realized I was carrying tons of speed, so I went full send for a hot lap, which actually worked out to be my fastest lap of the day.
Oh, a little too skinny there. Fucking cooking right now.
turn on the heat. As soon as you turn on the heat in this car, when it gets that hot, it
That's the first time I've ever overheated the car. Or not overheated, but went more than what it usually runs at. Must have been dirty air from the FRS in front of me. Alright guys, just got my second session done. Oh, it was unreal. That was one, I did a 110 something. I'll post whatever it actually is in the, right here. But ran out of gas in the middle of my run. I ran out of, my gas light came on, so, but decided to come rip over here. Luckily it's not far. But that session was fun as hell. I was ripping with I featured that FRS or BRZ on my channel before. But we were going lap for lap, like hard at it basically. And then he ran, like he lost it almost. If there was a wall there, he would have put it in there basically. So luckily didn't. Luckily everything's all good. But then I did notice right after I did pass him, my car was like 3/4 full of overheating basically, which is the first time I've ever had that happen, which is pretty nuts. Which must have been the dirty air from just being behind him basically. And but yeah, the rest of the session was sick. We got a 110, and yeah, just filling up. We got 2 more sessions left, so it should be fun.
As you can see here, I was learning throughout the day. I took this a lot wider, so I was carrying a little bit more noticeable speed out of it, because I hit 100 way easier than I usually do. This section right here, you notice I come in a lot more hot, a lot more confidence. Just shows you seat time is the best mod you can have.
Third session, it went really well. I was a little bit slower than my second session, but some cool cars showed up at the track. I'm not sure if it's a real Liberty Walk kit or not. Nismo edition apparently, or at least has a Nismo badge on it. Wheels are a little sus, but I imagine aren't cheap regardless. And then we got an R8. V8 R8. I like the wheels on it. 240 with a pig nose on it. Some wild spec Meisters. Well, I thought I got another session because one of the workers told me we got another one at like 550, but I guess not. The best we did was a 110.1, I believe it was. I'll put it in the bottom right here. It'll show us exactly where we're at. It's good that we just got a benchmark now. Now the new time to beat is just 109. Car handled great. Car handled really good actually. Got a little overheated obviously, which these cars tend to do. But it's pretty easy to manage for the most part, as well as yeah, it was car handled great, performed great. Can't ask for anything more. It's always a good day when you're leaving in the car you showed up in for racing. I'm gonna go home now. I'll go get some food. Actually, we're gonna do another time lapse of me washing this thing as soon as we get to the car wash. That's what we're gonna do, and then we'll end the video with a time lapse, I guess, of me washing the car. So as you know, like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what I could do better. Tell me some tips on keeping the car cool. Tell me anything. Tell me what your favorite color is in the comments. I don't care. I'm sorry, there's 2 videos in a row with no Ivy in it, so I'll make sure we get extra Ivy footage in on the next one, because she seems to have her own little fan club around here. But yeah, see you guys on the next one.